Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to close multiple support tickets at the same time on Freshdesk using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Freshdesk, and some support tickets that we have created. We cannot stop the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, let's now go to Freshdesk. Via Freshworks, click on this, wait for that to load. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to account. This should take us directly into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to tickets, and we should have a couple of tickets that we have created on screen. There are different ways that this can be implemented individually, clicking on a support ticket, or what we can do is go to the top and click all of them at the same time, and then let's now click on close. Closing 4 tickets. This might take a while. And here we have it. All those support tickets have all been closed at the same time. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.